Assalamu alaikum. Our today's lesson will deal with learning how to write a paragraph. At the end of this video, you will hopefully be able to write a paragraph on your own. As you can see, I have made a list of the highlights of today's lesson. First, we will discuss what a paragraph is. Next, I will tell you about the different parts that come together to make a paragraph. So let us discuss what a paragraph actually is. Let me quickly read the definition of a paragraph for you. A paragraph is a self-contained unit of text about a particular point, object, or an idea. A paragraph typically contains of more than one sentence, though it can also be made up of a single sentence. Paragraphs are typically used to organize a large body of text by dividing it into different sections. Unlike an essay, in which we usually talk about multiple things related to the main topic, we usually discuss a single topic in a paragraph. Here I have tried to highlight the steps required to write a paragraph through a picture that you can see on your screens. The first step of writing a paragraph is to select a topic. Next is the most important step of the whole process. We call it brainstorming. I will discuss it in detail later. Once you have brainstormed your ideas, you will now begin writing the paragraph. Don't worry, I will discuss it in detail later. After starting the paragraph, you deal with the middle part. This is where you give the reader maximum knowledge regarding the topic. There will be more discussion on this later. Once you have dealt with middle, you will now conclude your paragraph with your opinions or feelings about the topic. After finishing the paragraph, you will always make sure you quickly read it at least once. I assure you, your mistakes will decrease greatly if you make it a habit. Now that you are confident that you have corrected your mistakes in step 6, you can submit your paragraph for checking. Let us now discuss brainstorming. This is a process in which you let your brain think freely about the topic. As the brain relaxes and thinks, you get ideas about the topic which you write on a piece of paper. You can arrange your brainstorm as I have done here. That is, write the topic in the center and then write down the ideas around it. Or you can simply make a list of your ideas. This is entirely up to you. Every person has his own way of putting the brainstorm on paper, but the process remains the same for everyone. Now that you have successfully brainstormed the topic, you should have a bunch of sentences on a piece of paper. Now, in order to write your paragraph, you simply have to arrange them. The sentences that introduce your topic to the reader will be your beginning of the paragraph. I have written a sample beginning of a paragraph about my pet cat so you can see how the process works. After writing a few lines to introduce your topic, you then move on to the part where you give more detailed information about it to the reader. I have written a sample middle of a paragraph about my pet cat so you can see how the process works. Once you are done dealing with the middle part, you will then end the paragraph with your opinion or feelings about the topic. I have written a sample ending of a paragraph about my pet cat so you can see how the process works. Here I have simply combined the beginning, middle and the ending that I showed you guys earlier to make a single complete paragraph. I hope the video was helpful for you in understanding the process to write a paragraph. For homework, I want you to write a short paragraph of 80 to 100 words on your bicycle or your favorite toy. The choice is yours. I want you to share your paragraph with me by uploading it on the school's portal.